Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your HUAWEI P20 Lite, for the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the device connectivity, go for the printing and use the default print service. Right now smartphone is looking for the printer and it connects automatically to these two printers. Sorry for my England, my friends. And right now if you want to print something, you have to go for that file that you want to print. So I'm going, for example, for the picture, I think that I'm going to take maybe this Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra picture. So let's just open it with the Google Photos or the gallery, it doesn't matter. Click here on the more and select print or export to PDF. Right now we have to select the printer in the upper section of the screen and pick up your printer. I'm going for the HP Color LaserJet Pro, and after that we have to simply tap on this printer icon to print this picture. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.